Hi, I'm Emma.
And I'm Dimity.
And we're twins. We're getting ready to go on a climbing trip.
Yeah, no kids!
As much as we love them, it's great to get outside by ourselves. We're gonna show you today how to make basic Bliss balls. It's a treat that will power you up any climb or on the trail or any outdoor adventure that you have in mind.
And they're super healthy and they'll keep the kids happy while they're at home.
So let's get started.
All right.
We're gonna start by adding our dry ingredients. Rice puffs into the bowl, shredded coconut, and a pinch of salt. So mix your dry ingredients a little bit, and then Dimity is gonna take over with the wet ingredients.
So we're gonna add some of our mama's honey. Now we're gonna add some coconut oil.
Yeah, about a spoonful.
Yeah. And then, what do you think, a spoonful?
Big old glob.
All right, so we're using peanut butter for this one. But you can add any kind of nut butter that you want.
Then we're gonna add a splash of vanilla extract. Doop. And we're gonna mix it all up together. And the goal is to have a consistency that's sticky enough to hold together, but not too sticky to actually make into balls with your hands. So I think we probably need a little more liquid.
Yeah.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Let's add more peanut butter instead of honey because we don't want it to be too sweet for the kids.
Yeah, it's a little bit dry still. One more glob.
There we go. This is a great recipe to make with kids. They love pouring things in bowls and feeling things with their hands. And that is what we are about to do to test and see if this can be ball consistency.
And the great thing about these is that you can add pretty much anything you want. So you could add chocolate chips, you could add dehydrated fruit, whatever you want. Nuts, spices.
Exactly. So should we see if we can make these into balls?
Let's do it.
All right. You really want to squeeze them together, crush those Rice Crisps in. What do you think? Is that ball consistency?
Looks pretty good. Should we try them?
Let's do it.
All right.
Here you go. Perfect.
Great.
They will feel soft and crumbly at first, but then you're gonna pop them in the fridge and they'll solidify because the coconut oil gets hard. In fact, let's add another splash of coconut oil and then we're gonna roll our balls. Wait, a little more.
I'm gonna choke. All right, we've got our Bliss balls packed for our trip.
And our kids are dying to try them. Okay, kids, we're ready. Come on over.
Are they good? What do you think? Tell the camera.
Yeah! Good,
You like them? We'll see you at the cliff. Ciao, ciao. Look at the camera and say, should we test that? Should we give them a taste?
Yeah.
Wait, no, you say that.